to ride train? You already rode the train, hello? Say bye-bye, train. Go over there. Go, see. They're all done riding the train. They're getting off. Say bye-bye, train. Jet, are you having fun?
I like to ride train.
You like to ride train. Did you hear that, Dada? He likes to ride trains. You like that one? Okay.
He was like that at the fair.
Mama.
I think you're taking a break, Jet. We're all done, remember? Thomas train.